I can't write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that?
Hi Trendsetters, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. I'm Ariana, and in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing for the Planner Society's Make Kit. So let's get right into it. I did a lot of research and found out there's a huge following for the Planner Society. In order to get the kits, you have to sign up when there's an opening, and it's bi-monthly. It's a whole new world that I did not know about. I got this from Shine Sticker Studio. Love these guys, super cute. And I also got these two from Nonies Custom Creations, and definitely will be ordering more from these two stores on Etsy. So let's open this up. Packaging on this box is really cute. I know a lot of people use this over again, but I probably won't. I don't have space for that, and it's just a box. But look at how pretty this paper is. I could definitely reuse this that the kit came in. So I'm gonna open this up, and there's so much in here. Wow. Whoa. So there's this really pretty washi. They're gold bow washi tapes. Oh, look at the pen. Look at how cute this pen is. It just matches the whole theme of the May kit. Next up, let's open this up. This is so exciting. Gifts. It's just like opening gifts on your birthday or Christmas. Oh, look at these cute little guys. Love this. And I believe she said that it was inspired by her decor inside of her home, and so many cute little guys that you could put all over your notebook. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. I definitely feel like you get your money's worth with this. And then look at these cute cards. Slay the day away. Be in love with your life every minute of that. Love it. Love it. Love more, worry less, do what makes you happy, wake up and be awesome, good things take time. Just love the positivity. These, oh my gosh, these really cute pens for your notebook. Oh, there's one that says hello. Love that. And there's note to date and plan. The next one. God, I'm definitely going to use these everywhere. I can already foresee myself maybe putting some washi tape around here, or you know, just adding this as a bookmark in a book, or in my traveler's notebook as a marker so that I know what day it is for daily or monthly, etc. This is so incredibly cute. So let's open this up. Oh, these are the cute stickers. Oh my god, love this so much. Next up, we have pen loops that we can actually add into our traveler's notebook. There's a sticky adhesive on the back. If you follow her on Facebook or on Instagram, she would always do a sneak peek, you know, almost every day, so you knew exactly what you were getting in your May kit. But it was like, oh my god, you're giving away too much. I see everything that's in the kit. Am I gonna be surprised? But lo and behold, I was. So that's what I really liked about it. She didn't leave us guessing. We knew exactly what would be inside of our kit, the majority of it anyways. There's some cute stencils here. Oh my god, this is so cute. These are the tabs for today. There's one for month, notes, week, lists. Really love how cute these are, and you could even just put a tab on one of these guys. There's just so many cute little things to do on the side. Definitely needed to learn all of the lingo because there's just a whole nother world that I did not know anything about. I definitely could not say enough how much I love my kit right now. It's so cute. Oh, look at this. Oh, and it's just wrapped so neatly. And there's a whole group on Facebook, and everyone's so nice there. And on Instagram, everyone's super sweet. This is the pen holder. Oh, that is so cute to go right in here. Here, there's just cute little stickers that say be kind, planner girl, hello, heart, hustle. This is just really well made. I love this. And it doesn't even have to go into my traveler's notebook. I can just use a lot of these pieces every day. But I just love being so creative, so I'll definitely find a use for it. There's just endless possibilities that you can do with all of this stuff, so. And then there's more stickers. Oh my God, I fell in love with the May Kit too because of this when I saw a sneak peek. These cute little pockets are to die for. Look at this. Look at this. This cute little pocket here, I'm in love with that. There's also this cute pocket in the cream. And then I believe this is more for a Hobonichi, but I mean, you could definitely find something else to do with it. And then there's all of the cute paper. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look at that. Look, and it's so well made. You can hear that, right? 2 different sides. You can fold it, make a pocket. Then we have this one, which, oh, look at that. I just love how cute this is. And then we have some vellum. And I just like doing the kits too, because then having a busy life, you don't always have the time to go to the store to pick up all of this stuff. So it's just nice to have a wide variety of it, especially when you're starting out like I am. It's just great to already get the majority of what you need in a kit. My God. Oh, and look, there's like cute gold. Oh, do you see that? That is so cute. I love this size. This is my fave. And then look at this one, it's in gold. The other side is silver. I love that you can do like the combination of this over the vellum. Cannot wait to set everything up and show you exactly what everything looks like and with my cute compact traveler's notebook here. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed everything, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my page and like this video. The next video will probably be on my setup for my Sugar Cherry Blossom Traveler's Notebook by Foxy with all of my goodies. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Without thinking about you.